You are Three Elements. And today we're chatting a little bit about the Womb Surround Process workshop we're offering in January with Frank Carbone. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Erica.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of the benefits and what people can expect during the Womb Surround process?
Yes, a Womb Surround Process workshop is a small group process with 3 to 5 people generally, and it's something where people get to come and work with early bonding patterns, relationship patterns that are formed in our early time, both in the womb, preconception, and very early on after being born. As of being born, we create a snapshot or an imprint of things that will be in the same sequence of that process of being born. And it is pre-verbal material, so it's something where we can look at our present day life, such as relationships, jobs, connecting with people, socializing, and look at how we're either comfortable or uncomfortable in social situations. Most, if not all of that stuff goes back to how we came into this world and how we bonded and attached with our primary caregivers. So one of the benefits of the Womb Surround process, in fact, Ray Castellino, who created the form of the Womb Surround, he created the work specifically for people preparing for relationship. So preparing for relationship, when we're working with someone, if we're attracted to them, what's going to happen is our primary bonding patterns will come up and we will bump against things that we basically can't understand because they're pre-verbal. We don't have words for that. So in a Womb Surround Process workshop, we get to sit with those patterns and support those patterns and support each participant to have an intention or multiple intentions of things they actually want for themselves today in their lives that are reflected from where they came from preconception to their birth. So our Womb Surround Process workshop here at Three Elements in Bayside, Queens is going to take place Friday, January 5th, from 9 to 6 p.m. until Monday, January 8th. And it's an opportunity to really retreat from the faster paced life in New York and really downshift into the slower rhythms of baby time. So it's a full commitment for 4 full days. And if you have any questions or any more information that you would like about the Womb Surround process, I would love to talk with you, have a Zoom session with you, to talk about the possibility of you joining us January 5th through the 8th here at Three Elements Healing Arts Center.